It's so much new stuff here. I was about to miss this item. Okay, look. You see this? Hydrate lips. Okay, hydrate lip mask. Okay, and this is pretty much what it has. And I think you get one of these. Oh no, you get 5. And they've been selling these because this spot, they got only a few of these left. Look at this. Okay, they've been selling these like nobody business. I'm trying to see if there's more stuff because I don't want to forget it. Really a dupe from Kiss, $1.25. Really, really cute. I did not know this until I was watching Vivian Tries. Okay, really, really love her channel. But these are from Kiss. This is a dupe. They come in different colors. Actually, they come in like 4 different colors. They have this blue purplish thing going on. They also have the green, they have the orange, and also the black. Now check this out. Dollar Tree said, listen, we not only gonna give you the nails, but we also gonna give you the polish as well. This is matching pedicure color. Okay, so honey, you gonna have the nails going on, okay, and then you gonna oh wait, hold on, child. I can't, you know, I just look to the left and I just keep seeing all this new stuff. Listen, you gonna paint your toes the same as that color. Now, Dollar Tree has these LA color nails. Oh my goodness. And this is exactly why I keep telling you guys to get out your comfort zone and go to different Dollar Trees, because every Dollar Tree is not the same. Now, 12 pieces, glue not included, but that's okay. Look at this gold and this royal blue. They also have the red and the gold, child. Fancy. They also have these over here, which are fancy pantsy mancy LA colors. Really nice. Absolutely, honey, you ain't got to think twice. All right. And what about these? Oh, they so styling and definitely profiling. They also have this LA colors glue nails on. 13 pieces. Okay, I guess the nail file is, no, the glue is in here. I don't do that glue, but you got to do you. All right, nail glue included. Yeah, I don't do the glue. And then they also have this orange. And what about these black nails? Okay, absolutely love this. They also have many to go nails. Okay, you get about 30 nails for $1.25. Now, when the nails are this short, I absolutely love it. I can't be doing no long nails. I can't. Now, Dollar Tree also have these nails right here. So this is Sinful Colors Claws Pro Nail Art Manicure. Look at these. Oh my goodness, they are so gorgeous. And then they also have some more LA colors over here. Glue not included, 12 pieces. Honey, they got nails galore. All right, look at this. Modern French nail set they have. You get 24 pieces, $1.25. Some more claw nails, Pro Nail Art Manicure. Oh, child, honey. All right, 24 nails for $1.25. They also have these nails right here. Let me know in the comment section which ones you guys like the best, okay? Now, they also have these nails right here. Look like leopard or something. You get 24 for $1.25 as well. Honey, I'm feeling like Walgreens, okay? But the price is definitely price, and the price is good, okay? Like, you remember the price is good? Okay, so they also have some more Sinful nails right here. You get 24 for $1.25. And then they also have these nails up here, 24 for $1.25 as well. And remember, Dollar Tree also have the nail wraps. Okay, so if you're a person you like, Dina, I don't want to put that glue on my nails, Dollar Tree said, don't worry, we got you. Really, really cute. And this is pretty much what it's looking like when it comes to the nails. I was going to purchase these, but chill, because right now my nails are really, really done. And then they still have their blue polish on it. Honey, that got to come off first. Really, really cute, though. Absolutely love this. Listen, I don't know whose Dollar Tree is coming for, but child, when I tell you they're right with me, you want to stay tuned for this one, okay? Dollar Tree ain't playing. Dollar Tree is slaying and ain't delaying. Check them out. All right, honey, it's the 2-in-1 brush and comb for me. Help straighten out hair ends for use on all hair types. And they come in 2 different colors. They have the blue. Honey, we use this for our edges. I don't know what Dollar Tree talking about, okay, on that one. We use that for our edges. Now, listen, Dollar Tree said, listen, we shall deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Listen, barber, scissors, and comb. $1.25. Could you believe this? This is really, really fancy. And then they also have these tweezers right here. This is a 2-pack tweezers, slant and point tweezers. So you get 2 packs for $1.25. Honey, they are not playing. And you know what? Not for nothing. You know, I seen this section before. I said, it's for us. Okay. All right. No, I'm quite sure it's for anybody. All right. I just can't. Listen, Dollar Tree also have the hair bonnets over here that comes in different colors. Oh, look at this one with the gold and the black. They also have these, detangling combs. Child, get into it. The black, the purple, some more bonnets, some rubber bands, 600 count. I absolutely love getting the rubber bands from here. And honey, don't you dare put these hair rollers in your head. Okay, your hair is gonna be tighter than I don't know what. Now, Dollar Tree also have the rollers over here. We call these like the doobie rollers. Okay, doobie, honey, if your hair is long hair, don't care, honey, you would need these. Okay, now Dollar Tree also have these hair clips right here. You give, let me see, 4 pieces for $1.25. I absolutely love these. I had the black ones. Like 2 of them broke though. But these are really, really good, especially if you want to separate your hair and braid your hair, or, curl your hair, whatever it is. I'm not going to begin to tell you that Dollar Tree is now selling Katy Perry CoverGirl. Child, I cannot make this stuff up. If I'm lying, I'm definitely flying. Okay, and I don't have wings. Let's go. So they out here in these streets. Look at this. Okay, so if you're a purple girl, you like, you know what? I love purple, Dina. Honey, this is for you. All right, boo? And then they also have this blue right here. Fancy, pantsy, mancy. They also have this clear right here. This is $1.25. Look at the, honey. It's the cat for me. You're not going to say that I don't deliver. Okay, because I deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Okay? Listen. The deals is so good up in here, honey. I had to zip my coat. Look at this. I need some interaction going on. Okay, I need you to hit the bell, hit the like, subscribe. Honey, only if you feel in the vibe. Okay, you ain't gotta subscribe. Okay, I just want the ones that feels the vibe to subscribe. So I'ma deliver to you. And honey, don't have your husband looking at the video saying, you need to turn her off because you always in Dollar Tree, okay? Now, come on now. You may have to watch this during your alone time, all right? Okay, because, honey, you ain't going to get me in trouble. Now, listen, I don't even know where to begin with this video because they have so many new items like this. These shower steamers, okay? This one is the Tropical Bliss. Ooh, word to the mother and the brother. Okay. Shower Melon Breeze. These are steamers. And then they also have the Minty Fresh. Okay. $1.25. Absolutely loving this. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Now, I'm going to show you some. Oh gosh. Honey, I'm saying I'm going to another Dollar Tree. But now, Dollar Tree, honey, you should see me on my tippy toes. Dollar Tree has this LA Colors Let's Get Away. This is a lip liner in the middle. Really, really cool. $1.25. That's my first time actually ever seeing it. Really nice. Dollar Tree also have the LA Colors Let's Get Away Blush. Cream Gel Blush. This is $1.25. They also have this color. Oh, this is a highlighter gel. Fancy. Let me see. It's a girl that I used to watch, and she used to be like, let me see. All right, and they also have the highlight illuminator over here. Really nice. Ooh, child, feel like I haven't been in here. Oh, let's move on. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, honey, remember and get your day is going to become better once your perception gets better. Honey, we are on our way inside of Dollar Tree on 49th Street in 49th Street in Kennedy, okay? Listen, honey, this video is going to be the best of the best, okay? I say that about all of them, all right? But this one right here, honey, is going to be fire. You want to make sure that you're sticking around for this one, child. All right? Let's go inside. All right, so Dollar Tree ain't playing. Look, they have the Edge Ear, these earpods right here with the little what is this? Hold on, child. Let me turn it around. Oh, child. So these are good, especially if you're a person that works out in a gym, okay? So the earpods won't fall out of your ear. These are $5. These are to boom, okay? Oh, and look at this. Ride share 4-port, front and rear, seat car charger. Child, Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. Max charge 3 times faster than standard charger. Child, and they got a few of these. Listen, Linda, I need you to listen to this. When I tell you Dollar Tree is not playing, they are really not playing. Like, they are really, really delivering. Check this out. Okay, so all the Dollar Trees pretty much, they having the same thing. Well, the ones where I live close to, okay, the Dollar Trees that I visit, they have these 10 pairs of socks. These are $5. Absolutely love these. Okay, now the bottoms are a little thin for me, but I would still buy these because you get 10 pairs of socks for $5. That's a steal deal like Holyfield. They also have these, really, really good. They also have the Maryland socks, okay, the anklets, 5 pairs for $3. They also have some more hosiery socks over here, 10 pairs for $5. And this is pretty much what they working with. Honey, Dollar Tree ain't playing. Honey, they coming for the coins, okay? Just to let you know, they coming for the coins. They also have these tights over here that runs up to extra large. These are $5. Absolutely love this. Okay, so you need something to exfoliate. You want to exfoliate your body, all right? Dollar Tree has these. All right, now come on, Dollar Tree. One glove for $1.25, but nonetheless, okay, I think this is a steal deal still, because if you go to places like Target or if you go to places like Walmart, I'm quite sure you are going to be spending more than $3, 3 something, okay, for the gloves. And some may say $3. I thought it's $1.25. Yeah, honey, with tax and everything like that, honey, it's gonna run you about $3. Okay. Now Dollar Tree also have these soap bags, 2 pieces for $1.25. We had seen these last time, and I know this is a steal deal like Holyfield. This is, honey, phenomenal. Okay, so I guess this body wash right here was body washing. This smells okay. Tahiti with coconut. This smells okay. Long lasting, $1.25. This is my first time seeing this, by the way. Okay, so Dollar Tree is really doing it. They have this gold string 50 feet braid rope. Honey, now we done seen Dollar Tree selling three little braids, okay? Now don't tell me Dollar Tree about to bring the bundles up in here. Okay, the bundles are here. Now Dollar Tree also have these headbands right here. This is really, really good. 6 pieces for $1.25. And honey, get into the headband. This is definitely styling and profiling. This is $1.25. Absolutely love this. You guys know I'm more so a detail girl, so when I see stuff like this, absolutely love it. And you see that nail polish? Never again. Now they also have this headband, which is absolutely cute. $1.25. Love it. Now, if you're a person that, you love sunglass cases, Dollar Tree definitely have these sunglasses case. These are $1.25. They come in purple, black, and then they also have this pink and orange color right here. $1.25. All right, so you guys know that this is a dupe, right? This is the same exact thing that they were selling similar to what they sold at Sephora, right? The Glow Up. Now, Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna deliver, and that's word to the mother. Now, Glow Up Renewing Serum. This is the avocado. They also have the strawberry. They also have the pomegranate. They have 3 of these. These are $1.25. Really, really good. Absolutely love this. Honey, it's always the packaging for me. Really cool. All right, so Dollar Tree is that. When I tell you, they really not playing out here. Look at this. So this is Katy Perry CoverGirl. And get into. Now, Dollar Tree has these organizers right here. These are $1.25, and this is the first time that I am seeing these. Honey, you don't come to Dollar Tree in a few days. When you come back, everything is different. Now, Dollar Tree also have this lash comb, which is $1.25. Okay, so if you want to comb your lashes out, honey, this is for you. Wait, hold on. All right, so we also talked about the Brow Freeze Sculpting Gel. This is really, really good, $1.25 for your brows. Honey, this is good. I have used this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Dream Serum Overnight Mask, Retinol Grapeseed Extract, Lightweight Leave-On Mask to help replenish moisture while you sleep, $1.25. And they have some more masks and stuff over here. They also have the Facial Serum Vitamin C. You get 10 biodegradable capsules. Helps to even the appearance of skin tone. Okay, so Dollar Tree is now selling Gold Bond. This is my first time seeing this. Last 24 hours, immediate hydration. The last 24 hours, $1.25. Dollar Tree had brought these back. I absolutely love these. All right, so the mini jar hair accessories. These are $1.25. I had purchased these for my daughter last time, and honey, I was using these. You know, when I braid my hair up to hold it in place. Now, Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these. You get 16-piece elastics, okay? And then they also have the claw clips. You get 20 pieces claw clips. This is $1.25. Absolutely love it. They also have whores, okay? Look at them. Child, 25 drops for $1.25. Was these always here? I don't remember seeing these. Immune support. Also have the bathtub mini paint set. $1.25 with the little sponges here, but this is what really got me. All right, the kids bath bubble buddies, $1.25. Now, this is the hand wash. This is the shampoo and conditioner, Peaches Sweet Vanilla. This is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, Strawberry Watermelon Swirl. All right, really, really cool. Oh, child, and look at these. They also have the bath fizzers, all right, that goes right with this. This is cute. Wait, hold on, child. They also have the slime goo. Bath and body wash. Child. All right, so this one is the peaches and sweet vanilla. This one is the raspberry and banana. Same exact thing as these. Okay, so this is the slime. This is the hand wash. And then they also have the shampoo and conditioner. This is really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have this creamy baby oil, aloe vera and vitamin E. This is $1.25. All right, family, that appears to be all. Let me head to the next Dollar Tree. Child, this Dollar Tree, girl, they had some amazing, honey, it was the Katy Perry for me, with the little cat at the top, that lip gloss. Child, I'm so excited to do what I do, okay? Can't you tell? Listen, I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You good folks? We moving and grooving, our feet to the beat. Let's go.